Oh yeah.
A few moments later.
Hi! My name is Charlene Orcha. Dati akong call center agent at TV talent sa mga TV shows, movies, video ads at films. I was stuck in this job. One day, napagod na ako sa paulit-ulit na cycle. Yung laging butas ang bulsa at pagkatapos ng sahod, magbabayad ka lang ng walang katapusang bills and then ending na utang. One night, pagod na ako sa mga financial problems ko. Then, may isang mentor na nagtanong sa akin, bakit hindi mo gamitin yung kwento mo as your content? Doon ko na-realize na kahit ilang side hustles at hard work, wala pa rin akong results. I was financially drained and emotionally tired. So doon ako na wake up call na I wanted to change my story. And that working hard doesn't guarantee success. I need a smarter system na pwede palang mag-build ng income online. That decision na itry ko was my turning point. From being stuck and frustrated, natutunan ko ang tunay na sukatan ng consistency, discipline, at story mo mismo. Everything changed. And finally, it's time to shift that belief. My mom is using Heartwell. Kasi, unfortunately, may high blood yung mami ko. And kahit ilang araw pa lang na itong iniinom, gumaan na kagad ang pakiramdam niya. At masigla na siya. Ito ay hindi delikado at wala siyang side effects. Ito ay very safe, simple, at may natural blood pressure solution na magpapabago ng buhay ng mama ko at ng buhay mo para maalis ang bara sa ugat mo at bumaba ang high blood pressure mo. And mahigit 5,000 Filipinos na ang natulungan ng Heartwell na to. Pwede ito sa kahit na anong age. So, you have the power to change your story. So, comment below if ready ka na din to change your story.